welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how you can install and run Windows or Android applications on Windows 11. Now shout out to Tom's Hardware. I'm reading this from their article, which I will also leave linked down in the description. It's their guide and it's an OG website, so I would definitely check it out. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have Windows 11 installed on your PC and the latest version of Windows 11. So go ahead and make your way over to your settings, Windows Update, Windows Insider, and you just want to go ahead and install it. Now you also want to go ahead and make sure virtualization is enabled as well. To do that, you want to go ahead and open up your task manager. You want to navigate to the performance tab, and on the lower right, you'll basically be able to see a line that says virtualization enabled. If you see that, then you're good. If you don't see that, then the second link in the description will go ahead and show you exactly how to enter your BIOS, and you're going to have to enable it there. Now, once you go and have that set up, all you want to do is you want to go to the Windows Subsystem for Android webpage, which will be the third link down in the description, or you can make your way to the guide too. You can also search for this within the Microsoft Store, and then you want to go and click the Get button, which will allow you to download that specific, little tool. And then you want to go and click on the Install button. And once you go ahead and have that enabled and downloaded, you want to go ahead and install that specific thing. You want to go and click next, and then you want to go and click download, and then it's going to allow you to open up the Amazon App Store. Now this Amazon App Store essentially has a lot of different Android applications within it, so there's a lot of them in there. I used to use this as my main app store many years ago, but it's still around, which is really cool. Now when you have that little Amazon pop-up come up, you want to go and click sign in. You can also create a new Amazon account if you don't already have one, and there you'll basically be able to log in and sign in. Now here is where the fun starts. You can go ahead and search for pretty much any Android application that you want, and there are a ton that are available. So you can go and search through, you can see their lists and everything, and once you find one that you like, you can go and click install, and then from there, once they go ahead and install, you can open them up just like any other piece of software from your PC, and then you can go and open it up, and just like on the M1 Max where we can download some iPhone apps, we have the same we have the same ability here. Now there are ways to actually sideload Android applications on Windows 11 as well, but I will leave that up to Tom's Hardware. You can go ahead and read their article there because I don't want to get this video taken down, so you can go ahead and read how to do that on their article in the description below. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.